Welcome back to my channel. For this week I want to concentrate myself of isolating the car, because I want to start looking more and more as a camper van. But firstly I have to remove all the stuffs that are in the car at this moment, and then I will start by removing the old dirty ceiling cover, which will be replaced with Armaflex insulation that I will show you right now. Okay, now it's almost empty. I will remove also those boxes. I'm not removing that now because of the light. The light is too powerful and the camera will not work very well. But after I remove this, I will start by removing the ceiling, which will make a little bit of chaos and dirty. For this I bought Armaflex 19mm insulation that had some adhesive tape on the back side, so I only have to remove it and then to stick it very well on the floor or the ceiling or wherever I need. Well, the situation is nice there where the foam is sticky to the textile fabric, but it will be very hard to remove it from there. But that's it, I have to do it, so it will be a really tedious job. Wish me luck. This is how it looks, and then I will continue. After I remove the textile fabric, now with the scraper I will start to scrape the rest of the foam left. And as I said, this is a dirty and a very tedious work. Guys, after one lifetime later, this is everything that I could manage to do. That's why I invite some friends, and with this everything looks much easier. Dirty but easier. After half hour of doing this, everything is looking like that. So the ceiling is somehow clean. I have to vacuum out, but down it's a huge mess. And taking consideration that you should use, it's mandatory to use a mask and safety goggle, because think about healthy, this is really unhealthy. I'll go to vacuum everything out and then I will show you how it looks. I just discovered a new technique of how to clean the ceiling, and this is by taking a sponge or a brush and put some acetone on the old foam, and then with a scraper or with a spatula to take the old foam and the old glue that keep the foam out, and the result is quite nice, and I will continue about this. But before, I have to protect the seat, and I will put a foil on them, and then I will start cleaning all this front seat, because I want to isolate it and then I want to make a test how it was before with the old foam, how is without here, and how will be with the new insulation. And after this I want to make an overhead compartment in this area where I can put some other storage things, and also I want to put some features in the overhead compartment. But first let's protect the chairs by folding it down and then put the folia from the dashboard until here on the back, because the old foam, when you impregnate with the acetone, it's quite sticky, and it will stick everywhere, and I don't want this. This is it, guys, for this week. Unfortunately I couldn't document all the process in one video, that's why next week I will come up with the second part. In this week I want to present you how I could remove the old foam from the ceiling, and of course in the next week episode I will show you how I will isolate the ceiling and what material I use and why I use it. I will be more specific in this, and if you want to stay with me along this journey of transformation for this micro camper van, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Thank you very much.